only seen maybe a half a dozen, if that many, instructional videos on how to do this, and they all seem to suggest it's fairly easy. I don't know, I think there's a couple of tricks to it that they're not telling us maybe. Let's find out. I'm going to try to do it, and you guys are going to get to come along with me. What is it you're asking yourself? Well, or you're asking me? Glad you asked. We're going to put up a new tile splash guard around our kitchen counter. Now, let me tell you, the first thing that the obstacle that you find with doing this is picking out a design. They have lots of different designs. They've got them with silver tiles and gray tiles, thin tiles, all kinds of designs for these things. And we narrowed it down to the subway tile, and either the kind with the white caulk here or with the contrasting caulk. And then one day I realized, when I couldn't decide, that the one with the white caulk is exactly what we have in our house. And you know what? I don't like it that much. And so I said, you know what? I'm going to get the one with the contrasting caulk. All right, are we ready to do this? Okay, now there's a couple of neat things about it, and a couple of tips that I am going to show you. But first off, here it is. Watch. It's peel and stick. You can cut it with a knife or a razor or scissors or shears. It's pretty easy. It has a protective film on top of it. Let's see what happens. Okay, I got some stuff spread out here. There's a couple of things I did in the very beginning. One was remove our paper towel holder. I got this neat thing that sits on here and holds it up, but that's going to have to go, of course. So we moved the paper towel holder. And then the other thing we did, or I learned I should have done earlier, was this. I bumped my head on this cabinet enough times to where I can't remember how many times I did it. Okay. It doesn't move, it doesn't give at all, and you're working down here like this, so you're not looking there. And what happens if you hit on this corner, or you hit down here or something, and I gotta tell you, it'll probably, you know, if you don't want to put this up here to guard against it, then I highly recommend you don't have anyone with sensitive ears here with you, because this will, after about the second or third time you do this, you're ready to say bad words in front of your mother. You know what I'm saying? It hurts. So this kind of thing like this, oh my gosh, that will clue me in that I'm about to bump my head. So that's a little trick my dad taught me. So that's good. All right, now then, like I said, deciding which design to pick is the first, I don't know, obstacle or whatever thing you have to do. But the next thing you have to do, of course, is clean this wall thoroughly. And I'll be right back. Thanks for watching today's project. In a few moments, I'm going to be showing you the finished countertop first stage. I'll explain what I mean by that in just a couple of minutes. And I want to take this opportunity to say, if we have entertained or informed you in some way, please like and subscribe, leave a comment, or share. We really like it when you do that, and I hope we deserve your subscribing and all that type of stuff. But if you don't want to subscribe quite yet, that's okay. Just come back and keep watching. We are thrilled to be part of this online Coleman community. We're getting so much love from everybody that we enjoy it so much. So if you will like and subscribe, that helps a whole bunch. Okay, you ready? You ready to see the kind of finished product? Let's go. Okay, as you can see, we finished stage 1 of the RV Backsplash. We think it looks really great. Now, we still have enough material. Let's say we decided that we want to go up 2 feet. Like it'd be so easy now that we know how to do it. I can put it up here and trim it and just go to town. You know, that's going to be real easy if I decide I want to do that. We haven't decided if we want 2 feet of backsplash though. What do you think? Hey, tell us in the comments. What do you think? Should we have just 1 foot or 2 feet, or go all the way up to the cabinets? We haven't decided yet, but whatever we decide, now that we know how to do it, it will be incredibly easy to do. Well, thank you for joining us. I hope if you decide to do this, you have as much success as we did. It wasn't that difficult. Once I kind of figured out how things were going to roll, it's pretty easy. So there you go. The RV 17B Backsplash upgrade. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for watching our videos as always. We appreciate you guys so much.